Today I'm going to do a little renovation type job on my shower. If you have a look from a distance, it looks fine. But if we go in and take a closer look at the base of the shower, you'll be able to see there are some very, very fine sort of hairline cracks in the base. So I had a look at various solutions, and obviously replacing the shower tray is one, but it's a very expensive option, which I don't want on such an old vehicle. There are all sorts of fillers you could get, but they're more for if you put in a great big crack. So what I've got instead is just this little tin. Unfortunately the tape has moved off the edge, but this is, you can't see it, it's just shower tray paint. And so all I'm going to do is just paint the bottom of the shower. You can do several coats after 4 hours. There's not much paint in that pot, so I don't know if I'll be able to do 1 or 2 coats. So I will come back once I've done the first coat. Right, I'm halfway through now, so you can see the difference in colour. It's quite a bright white. It's a gloss paint, so it's going to be all shiny. But it certainly seems to do the job at covering it. I mean, I don't know if it's going to help the life of the actual tray, but at least it's going to look nicer. Right, this is the end of the first coat, and I'm pretty happy with the result. It certainly looks clean, and of course all the marks are gone, and I've only used about half a tin of paint, probably a bit less, so I could use another coat. I don't think it needs one at the moment, it's fine, but maybe it's something I could do again in like 6 months or a year or whatever. So yeah, good job, and it's only cost me a few pounds for the paint, so very pleased with that.